this kind of troubleshooting thing, we're going to show you the kind of the testing capabilities of the panel. In this next bit that we have, Shannon has a ticket open that someone put a circuit in, and they're complaining that the circuit is not good, and we have some issues with it, and he's going to be on site kind of troubleshooting that, right? So with that said, Shannon, I'm going to let you take that away. Maybe you have to change the camera angle a little bit just so we can see that screen a little bit better. There you go.
Hello.
That's good. Yeah.
All right. So ring. Let me call my friend Asing again. Ring.
Yeah, Asing. Is it you again, Shannon? What's up?
Yeah, man, it's me again. I'm still out here. Now this time it's your fault because you sent me a ticket to go do some work, and I'm not really sure. I brought an SFP. I brought a loopback.
Wait. What ticket is this? What was the ticket number?
It's the VR236, man.
Wait. This is the ticket that Barb opened a little while back about this circuit. Yeah. You want us to have us take a look at this and see what's going on? You got the cleaners and everything I asked for?
Yeah. So I brought a cleaner. I bought a fiberscope. I bought a USB. SFP and a loopback. And man, I'm not sure what I'm doing here.
Okay. Yeah. They tell me that these new panels have some testing capabilities. So let's see what we can do. So we have a maintenance window. So I want you to loop back one in. Have you already looped back the one in?
Yeah, I got this thing looped back, and there was an SFP port, and I just went ahead and plugged that in.
Yeah, plug that in. I want you to take the other end of that. I want you to plug it into that test port, and we should be able to run an attenuation test and see what kind of light level loss we got. So there should be a little app on it, right? So
yeah, it says diagnostics. All right.
Yeah, diagnostics. So just go ahead and run. I know people can't really see the screen, but just go ahead and read us off the test results off of that screen when you can. Okay.
So I'm rerunning that.
Yeah. Let me know what that should be. Right. So.
Oh wow, this thing's horrible. Power loss on this is like 7.3.
Whoa. That's way too much going through this 2 hops. Okay. You got that fiber scope? I want you to plug it into that USB right there. We're gonna scope out that end face on that cable and see what we got. So can you just take it out and just scope it for me real quick?
Fiber scope.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
That's horrible.
Sure
I can see that all the way. I can see that all the way from California, man. That's no good. You have that one click. Why don't you dab it a couple of times with that one click and see what we got? I mean, did you clean these before you put it in, Shannon, or what'd you do?
I used my shirt. Us old school boys. That's the way we used to clean these things.
You use your shirt? What? Come on, man.
That's the way we used to clean them.
Oh, that's night and day. I can see my own reflection off of that test result. Okay, that looks good. All right.
Yeah, it's like a whole new world, my friend.
All right. Plug it back again, and let's run that test again and see what kind of attenuation we got. Okay.
Back to the line continuity here.
Yeah.
Test.
Shannon, don't clean these with your shirt again, man. Come on.
And these old Western Electric cats I used to work with, that's what they taught me. So let me see what we got here.
What do you got?
Oh yeah, we're at 2.3.
Okay,
we're golden,
fantastic.
my friend. We're golden.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna call Bar back and tell him we got this thing taken care of. So put the circuit back, and we should be good. Okay. Appreciate it,
boss. Yeah.
Okay.